PALFINGER is an international company, the leader of lifting solutions, technologies, and everything which is related to mechanical engineering related to lifting solutions. PALFINGER is a global company. We act globally, we listen what's happening globally, we exchange between the different cultures, different nations, the different subsidiaries we have, but as well we are interested what customers need globally. On the other hand, we try to provide a quite standardized solution for them, that we have modularity, that we can be fast, that we can be efficient, and all this makes us a great global company.
So we are present in many countries, and what we do when we are present in a country, like in North America, we really behave as if we were a local company. So what we do is really to understand the customer needs, is to understand the market, and to give to our customers what they really need to succeed with the products that they buy.
We have innovation in our DNA. We have been for years developing new technologies and bringing the best lifting solutions and cranes into the market. We have been applying sensors and control systems to provide assistance functions in our products, and in the meantime we are working towards autonomous operation in some of our lifting solutions. We use telematics and real-time data to provide added value to our customers through smart applications. In addition, we apply novel technologies like artificial intelligence to provide additional services to our customers, for example, like our bridge inspection service. The task of my team is to explore the unknown, discover exciting opportunities and turn them into reality, into new business models, but also solutions for our customers.
The PALFINGER crawler crane is the perfect example, the combination of power and technology. We are the leading provider of a solution for customers, indoor, outdoor, under difficult environments, in difficult places. You can lift stuff outside in a forest, you can work outside in a hall, you can make maintenance work. All this is combined in this technology of the crawler product from PALFINGER. We have quite a huge number of important devices like the smart tie. The smart tie can be used in terms of services, to give instructions to a guy who is in the field. He can see what he has to do, he can get instructions, he can do an efficient job in a short time. It can also be used for training. So all this is combined under this smart tie as one example what PALFINGER is doing. Our fleet monitor, we secure that all the different devices between the truck and our equipment are communicating properly, and we can monitor what's going on. So in one equipment you can see all the different functions, it's easy to use, and you really understand what our equipment is doing.
This business actually was founded in 1926, and PALFINGER purchased the business in 2007, and it has become really the center of our manufacturing excellence. And I think what the leadership saw was the North American market is very niche oriented, it's very kind of customized, so regionally based on where people are manufacturing products. And so they had the vision to say, let's start expanding our portfolio, and it's become, a very, very successful business.
PALFINGER is a customer-centric company. So it doesn't matter if the customer is American, Italian, German, Austrian, Japanese. The customer is our priority. And when we do serve our customers, when we partner with our customers, we really make sure that we give them the best we can so that they can do a better job, and we make sure that they can be more successful when we give them our products.
For me, PALFINGER means something like a hidden champions. It's not about a country, it's not about a culture, it's the closeness, it's the relationship between PALFINGER and its customers.
We have a global framework, we have regional alignment, and then we have local flavor. And PALFINGER really wants each of our locations to maintain their culture and to maintain the identity, but at the same point understand, what drives this company, what makes us successful, what are our values, and then kind of blend that into the future.
When I was given the opportunity to join PALFINGER, I really felt that would have been a great opportunity to join the market leader within its industry. I work for different industries, but we always had to, let's say, to be the follower, and to catch up the market leaders. In this case, instead, we are the leaders.
PALFINGER is clearly the number one as a lifting solutions provider. And we are always a step ahead of our competitors, like the technology we have on building and bridge inspection stuff coming from Struck Inspect. So PALFINGER is clearly a technology leader, always ahead of competition, always providing best solutions to our customers, to our business partners. That's what PALFINGER stands for, and this kind of lifting solutions nobody else can do.